Yeah, so it's super easy to do. So let's say you want to back test, this opening range breakout here. You put your lines on there. I have a little indicator here that I built, and it's called opening range breakout. So it automatically puts the lines on there for me. But yeah, let's say you want to back test this. Go up here and you see it says replay. It just says bar replay. Just click onto that and you'll get this little blue line. Drag the line back. You can drag it back to the beginning of the day here. Okay, let me shut this off for now. Bring it back there. And then down here, you just hit this little forward arrow button and it will replay everything out for you. So there's your supply zone, right? That's forming. And you can just go click by click. It pulls back, hits the supply zone, and then moves down. And you can just, you can just replay it. So just hit replay right up here. And you can go back as far as you want. You can go all the way back to here. And you can even hit play and it will replay the entire couple of days for you. Pretty cool. It'll just replay. You can stop it and analyze this, say, oh, okay, well, look at that. It's, it's consolidating here. We've got this consolidation pattern here. We've got a supply zone up here. Let's see how, price reacts. Breaks out, hits that, breaks right through that, supply zone, keeps going. And then what you could do is you could say, oh, well, why did it break through this supply zone on the 15-minute chart? Where did it end up going? It ended up going up here, right? And just hitting that market edge, so you can make your observations and then go back and you just think a little more deeply about what happened. And that's where, that's where all of your rules come into place. So it's a great way to take your observations and put it together into a solid trade plan.